Well, I'm Henry Castaneda. I've been at CHEMetrics for, I believe, over 40 years, believe it or not. And I have done a little bit of everything at CHEMetrics, from manufacturing to research and development to quality control. And lately I have been concentrating in the marketing aspect of the business. So my goal, just like everybody else at CHEMetrics, is to do our best to be recognized as an alternative to the more complex test procedures. Our technology is unique in the business of water analysis, and that makes it very easy for me to get people passionate about our products. And when I go to a presentation, I can be very proud of what we have to offer, because we are a unique company making a unique product that addresses the needs of the laboratory technician and also addresses the need of the people in industry. And so we are able to provide a simpler solution to what is often a very complicated test procedure that provides not just simplicity but precision and accuracy at the same time. And that, believe it or not, is welcomed by a lot of people when I visit them, and this is all over the world.